What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Bobby G. Guess what? In this Pixel series, it's my favorite time of the year, or one of my favorite times of the year. I'm not gonna lie, one of my favorite times. But today we've got a screen protector install, okay, on this Google Pixel 9 Pro, XL Pro. And that's gonna be using this brand right here, which is UltraGlass. This screen protector is going to give you the usual, right? Bubble-free installation, scratch-resistant, silky touch, and it says it works really well with fingerprint readers. See, I know with the Pixel 9 this year, they changed to ultrasonic versus an optic fingerprint scanner. Or if you didn't know, now you know. But we're going to get this installed. I'm going to do this without cuts because I want you to see how long it takes to get this prepped and on your phone. So let's go ahead without further ado, bring in the samurai sword. The old classic goodie. Let's get that open. Yeah, I'm doing this without cuts because I want y'all to see how long the average Joe, Jane, John, Jim would take to install this. So open that up. Looks like we got the installation kit right there. Oops. Got your squeegee on the back. To make sure we keep that screen bubble free. Flip it over. Then we've got, of course, the internals. So this is gonna actually be some of the stuff like register to extend your warranty. This like here looks like it's going to be some contact information. Also a guy to walk us through how to do it. Then you've got your two different kits that you're gonna use to install your screen protector. And then it's got an extra screen protector in case you break the first one or mess up the installation. So it does come with two screen protectors and two setup kits to get this done, okay? But the first one's already ready to go and on there. So let's go ahead and get this out. So don't time me on anything yet, okay? Let me get this in place first. So we shut down that pixel off screen. Let's bring it over here and let's get to it. So installation, it tells me clean the screen surface with wet wipes and then wipe off the remaining water stains with a dry cloth. Bring in our kit. I literally just opened this phone, so it's not gonna be super dirty at all, or it shouldn't be. And they've got everything numbered, kind of, I hate to say it like this, but dummy proofed. So let's start off with that wipe. That open. Come in and get this brand new screen cleaned. Like I said, it's brand new. It might have a little fingerprints from me opening my phone, but it shouldn't be anything crazy. So we did that step one. Bring it back. What's step two? Remove the dust. Okay, so it tells us to remove the dust. It comes with two different size stickers for this. You got the big boy, then you got big boy junior. So let's start off with big boy. Or big boy junior rather, it's a big boy junior. Big boy junior. Now let's come through with big boy. Y'all, you probably didn't see it on this camera, but as soon as I was talking or switching stickers, a huge piece of dust came on through. So we're gonna have to be fast. We got some dust floating around this room. So okay, if you did that, align the guidance frame, make sure to place it in the correct orientation and pull out the long plastic sheet, okay? So bring this in, tells us to watch the installation video. It tells you about the warranty. This is like kind of just like the foolproof way. So it has auto dust removal installation and wait 5 seconds for bowl removal. So basically we just lay this on here, line it up with your screen. Then we're gonna pull this tab. Uh-oh. Houston, we have a problem. Okay, so you see what just happened to be the pull tab for the dust removal ripped. It could have been me. I could have been putting too much pressure up top, but that's worth mentioning. So heads up for y'all. Just wait for 5 seconds for the perfect seal with the screen. Then take off the installation frame. Note if there's any bubbles. Push them and move them outwards. Oh, since this ripped, I'm not sure how this is going to turn out. Okay, y'all. So again, no cuts. You see it what I'm seeing. So let's see. Let's see. We come like this. See, so what happened is now the screen protector didn't even go on there because it ripped like that. Y'all see? So the screen protector did not even go on to the phone. So, wow. I'm gonna have to contact customer service on that. That's no bueno. So we get to see how it looks doing this second one. Let me try to do this fast, okay? Because I know this video is getting a little bit long now. So we actually got to use both screen protectors because our first one messed up. So let me get this set up real quick. To install the secondary one, it's actually pretty simple. You just got to make sure you get this lined up properly. So top right there. And I promise y'all this was not planned. That actually did just get messed up for real. So you put that on the top. I'm gonna try to show you as best can. There's these little tabs you gotta put your secondary, your new replacement screen protector on. Put it down like that. Just try to make sure I do this right. So they can't come back and say, old Bobby messed it up. So there's a little single tab, you get that under there. Then you bring it, line it up with the dots. So there's a single dot at the top. You gotta line this up with. Then 2 little pull tabs, you gotta slide that over. Boop. And you'll hear it kind of snaps into place with everything. So I'm just gonna give this a quick secondary dust removal just to make sure nothing snuck in while I was talking. This is actually good. I'm actually happy this happened. In case, happens to y'all, so y'all don't freak out and be like, what do I do? Since it comes with 2, it's not a big deal. Now, if you mess up both, you're on your own. So I did just forget to mention something. Make sure that when you're doing this, you get that bottom lined up really good. Okay, and then you gotta put this pull thing through there, okay, on the bottom. I think I got it set up right. I think I can. Ooh, it's gonna be embarrassing if I mess up both of these. Just go ahead. I'm not gonna put as much pressure on there. I'm just gonna kind of try to help guide it. Okay, so it says wait 5 seconds for it to adhere. You can see it right now. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but you can see it is adhering. We're gonna give it a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure we're doing this right. Once we get done with that, take off the install frame. So it says remove from the top. So we're gonna take it from the top, like it says there. And our screen protector is installed. Okay, so second time around looks like it did work. Okay, we got a little bit of bubbles in the top screen. So it's not gonna worry. We're gonna bring in our microfiber just for me to be able to hold the screen, but we're just gonna squeegee those out the top. No big deal. Other than that, that should turned out pretty good. So this is our screen protectors installed. You can't even really tell that it's there. From my view, from the other side of the camera, it doesn't look like we've got any bubbles. Looks like the only thing we had was that top left-hand corner. That first installation, I don't know if that was a me thing or from the manufacturer, so just keep that in mind when you're installing these. Be careful, don't put too much pressure on your installation frame when you're using this. That way you guys don't get, hopefully it doesn't happen what happened to me. Oh no, that's it folks. Okay, this video can run kind of long, but got the screen protector installed. I'm gonna go ahead and power this back up so y'all can see how it looks from this side of the camera. Again, it looks pretty good. I don't see any fingerprints or anything like that. Pretty easy setup. Should take you about 5 minutes, but I did a lot of talking just to get this video set up on there. But that's it. Okay, it's your boy Bobby G. Thank you for coming for the installation of this UltraGlass screen protector. All in all, pretty simple. Took me about 10 minutes. Okay. This one right here, I'm gonna link this in the comment section below, y'all. Go do me a huge favor, can y'all? Please do me this favor. If you end up purchasing this screen protector, use my Amazon link. That gives me a little bit of a kickback, y'all. When I say little, I mean micro. But it helps out the channel, it helps me out, and it costs you nothing extra. Like, it doesn't cost you like a penny extra. Anyways, it's your boy Bobby G, folks. Thank you for stopping by. I hope this was useful for you. Let me know in the comment section. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit all them smash and like buttons and all that good stuff. I'm out. Check out the next video that I'm gonna put out there, y'all. Got a review video. Then, of course, we got a video reviewing some cases, or opening and unboxing and reviewing some cases for the Pixel 9 XL Pro. I'm out.